Jigsaw Jones, and I am a private investigator. You can hire me $1 a day. I recently just solved a case of the sneaker sneak. The story is about when Big Maloney has I just realized that Big Maloney had lost his sneakers. Our suspects had to go in the garbage can to try to find the sneakers. But recently, the janitor just put it in our classroom.
Hi, my name's Big Maloney, and Jigsaw Jones is such an awesome private investigator. For $1 a day, he is well worth your money. He will find anything you need to find, and he is a fantastic private investigator. Awesome.
I solved the case. If you need me, give me a ring.
Peace.